Привет всем! Мы находимся в Китае, на острове Хайнань, деревне Хоухай. И это совершенно недалеко от города Санья и очень близко к Ялоун-Бэй. Чем примечательна эта деревня? Тем, что здесь куча школ серфинга, и мы сегодня заглянем в одну из таких школ, eng+rus. Мы возьмем интервью у тренера eng+rus, который основал здесь свою школу и тренирует как тех, кто хочет научиться серфингу, так и тех, кто хочет научиться полденсингу или фитнесу. В общем, сегодня я вам покажу эту деревню немного, расскажем немного об этой деревне и покажем, как здесь серфят. Если вы увлекаетесь серфингом, что ж, смотрите это видео до конца, подписывайтесь на канал, лайкайте, если вам оно понравилось, а мы погнали!
Welcome to my studio.
Today we have visited an eng+rus fitness studio. So hello eng+rus, tell us please where you're from.
I'm original from Hubei, but I've been working in a different city for a long time. First Chengdu and then Shanghai, and now I live in Sanya.
What do you do here?
So I have a fitness studio here. So basically I'm the founder of the studio.
Do you surf?
Yeah, of course I surf. I love surfing. That's the first reason I came to this village.
Is it difficult to learn surfing?
So I think for basic level, it's not that difficult. Most time it just take 1 week. But for people who do sport all the time, it will be much easier for them. But for people who don't really exercise a lot, so probably for beginners, it's a little bit hard. But I think maximum 10 days, for sure they can learn surfing, basic level. But I also taught some people they learn surfing in 2 days because they've been doing exercise for a long time, and also they know how to snowboard. So it will help them to learn surfing very quick.
Do you give any lessons?
I do lessons. I'm the coach of surfing, fitness, and pole dance.
How much does the beginner course cost?
For beginner course, it's like around 1,500 for most people. That with this price, they can learn the beginner level of surfing. So we also provide renting surfing boards, and also professional GoPro shooting.
Do you have any suggestions for beginners?
So my suggestions for the people who want to learn surfing, I think they should, before they come here, they should do exercise like for 1 or 2 months. If they are already doing it, that will be great. It will help them a lot in the class. Because if you do exercise, you will have more power to paddle on the board, and also you will have more balance standing on the board. It will be much easier for you.
What do you know about this village? What could you tell us about it? What do you like here?
So first reason is surfing, of course, but except surfing, the most part attract me is the lifestyle here and the people here. This is a very small village compared to the city I lived before. It's very, very different. But here the lifestyle is more relaxed and simple. People don't have to rush for catch a subway or taxi. And most time we do is surfing and enjoying the beach life. But I know a lot of young people who from big city, they come here to do business or work here. I really like the young people here, like they are very independent and they know what they want for life. They come here to chase their dream and follow what they want for life. For the people who come here for traveling or for living, I think it's a really good choice. It's a very beautiful island, and except the local business, we also have very modern part. We have bars, restaurants, cafe, and very beautiful hotels. Like in the morning, you can go out for a run on the beach. In the afternoon, you can go surfing, and during the night, you can go hang out with your friends by the beach bars.
Okay, thank you, Angie. It was really interesting. Thank you a lot. And now we can go to the beach and see how people surf. Ну что, мы на пляже Хоухай, и народ, как видите, кто-то тренируется на пляже, кто-то уже практикуется на волнах. Что ж, давайте подлетим поближе и посмотрим, как народ серфит. Okay, tell us please, where are you from first?
I'm from the Altai.
Okay.
Chinese Altai, not because Russian, Mongolia, Kazakhstan, China, Taiwan,
How long have you been surfing?
7 years. 7 years.
You teach surfing, right?
Yeah. I'm teaching surf 5 years. I'm surfing 7 years, and now I'm teaching some guys tourists here, so 5 years.
Is it difficult to learn surfing?
This place is not difficult because this place is great for the first time to go to the surfing. This is tourists and first time go to surf guys. This place is not dangerous, and we have some system, some just little bit. Everything is okay.
Stay myself. Thank you a lot.
It's okay.
Bye. Мы завершаем нашу прогулку, и, если честно, то я первый раз в этой деревне, мне она очень понравилась. На самом деле здесь действительно много иностранцев, очень много серферов, очень много людей, которые реально не похожи на Китай. Это действительно такая маленькая необычная деревенька, которая своей современностью вклинилась в эту китайскую среду. Ну, конечно, здесь все равно остается китайский стиль, но если вы молодой и вы увлекаетесь тем более серфингом, вам реально нужно попасть сюда. Чтобы не потерять канал, подписывайтесь, и мы с вами прощаемся. Bye-bye.